Hello students, by now we were studying how to solve equation. Now we will study how to form equation and then solve the problem. Okay? So sum of three consecutive numbers is 48. Find the numbers. So three consecutive numbers means let the numbers be, if the first number is x, second number would be x plus 1 and third number would be x plus 2. Correct? Three consecutive numbers means 1, 2, 3. They are consecutive numbers. 5, 6, 7. They are consecutive numbers. Okay? So if first number is x, second number would be x plus 1 and third number would be x plus 2. So let the numbers be x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Okay? So I'll write down. Let the numbers be x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Okay. And they have said sum of these numbers is 48. So x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is 48. Okay. So that means 3x plus 3 is equal to 48. Right? Then 3 is common. I'll bring it out. So x plus 1 is equal to 48. Then x plus 1 is equal to 48 divided by 3. So which comes to 3 ones are 3 6 are. Correct? So x is equal to 16 plus 1. I'll bring it here. It will become minus 1. So x is equal to 15. So if x is equal to 15, then x plus 1 will be 16 and x plus 2 will be 17. So that means the three consecutive numbers are 15, 16, 17. So three numbers are x, x plus 1 and x plus 2, right? So x is 15, x plus 1 would be 15 plus 1 which is equal to 16 and 15 plus 2 which is equal to 17. Correct? Okay. There's one more way you can solve instead of solving like this. Okay. What you can do is, you can bring minus 3 that side. So then 3x is equal to 48 minus 3, which will make it 3x is equal to 45. X is equal to 45 upon 3, which is equal to 15. 3 ones are 3. Correct? Okay. Let's solve the next problem. Find the numbers whose sum of respective 8 times and 6 times is 70. Okay. So that means numbers are numbers are 8x and 6x. Okay, so numbers are 8x and 6x and the sum is 70. That means 8x plus 6x is equal to 70. So 8 plus 6 is 14x is equal to 70. Right? So x is equal to 70 upon 14. 7 tens are, 7 twos are, 2 ones are, 2 fives are. So that means x is equal to 5, right? This is not the answer. Your numbers are 8x and 6x. You have to find 8x and 6x, right? Therefore, the numbers are 8x, which is 5 into 8, which comes to 40, and 6x, which is 6 into 8, not 6 into 8, 6 into 5, which is equal to 30. So that means the numbers are 40 and 30. Okay. Next problem. A number is increased by 8 numbers. 3 of that number. Find the numbers. Okay. A number is increased by 8 number. Okay. Which makes it 3 of that number. So some sentence is missing here. Okay. But that is understood. A number is increased by 8 numbers which makes it 3 of that number. Okay. Suppose the number is x. Okay. This number is increased by 8. When I increased by 8, it becomes x plus 8. Correct? This x plus 8 is equal to 3 of that number. That means 3 times of that number. That number is x. That means it becomes 3x. So find the numbers. Okay. So this is my equation. X plus 8 is equal to 3x. Got it? So write down. Let the number be x. So x plus 8 is equal to 3x. 8 I'll keep it as it is. X I'll take it there. So 8 is equal to 3x minus x. So 8 is equal to 2x. Okay. So x is equal to 8 by 2, which is equal to 4. So your number is 4. 4 is your final answer. Got it? Let's solve the next question. In two consecutive numbers, 1/3 of small number exceeds the 1/4 of big number by 1. Find the numbers. Okay. In two consecutive numbers, two numbers are consecutive, that means if my first number is x, second number would be x plus 1. Correct? 1/3 of small number. So x is small number, right? So 1/3 of that. That means x by 3. X by 3 is 1/3 of that number. X. Correct? X into 1/3 would be x by 3. Correct? So 1/3 of small number exceeds the 1/4 of big number. Now my big number is x plus 1. So x plus 1 divided by 4 would be 1/4 of second number. Correct? Exceeds, that means small number has become now bigger number. Right? So x by 3 is bigger than x by 1, x plus 1 by 4 by 1. That means x by 3 minus x plus 1 by 4 is equal to 1. So this is my equation. Correct? Okay. Now let's start writing. Let the two consecutive numbers be x and x plus 1. Smaller number is x. Bigger number is x plus 1. Correct? Now what they have said, 1/3 of small number minus 1/4 of big number is equal to 1. See, I am reading the question again. Listen. In two consecutive numbers, that is x and x plus 1, 1/3 of smaller number exceeds. That means 1/3 of smaller number is more than 1/4 of big number by 1. So what is the difference? 1 is the difference. That means x by 3, because 1/3 of x is greater than x plus 1 by 4 by 1. So x by 3 minus x plus 1 by 4 is equal to 1. Now you have to solve this. Okay. So denominator here is not same. Right? Denominator is not same. So what you will do? You will calculate LCM and then do it. Right? So how to do it? 4x minus 3 into x plus 1 upon 12, because 12 is the LCM, right? So 4x minus 3x plus 1 divided by, sorry, not plus 1, minus 3. I'm opening the bracket. Minus 3x minus 3 upon 12 is equal to 1. So 4x minus 3x would be x. Okay, minus 3 is equal to 1. I'll bring my 12 there. So it is in division. So here it will become multiplication. So 1 into 12 is 12 only. Correct? Everybody is understanding what I am doing? 4x minus 3x is x. 1x. Okay. So minus 3 I am writing as it is. Okay. Now this 12 which is in the denominator, when it will come in the other side, it will come in the numerator. So division will become multiplication. So 1 into 12 is 12. Got it? Okay. So x minus 3 is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 plus 3. So x is equal to 15. So that means the smaller number is 15 and the bigger number is 16, because they are two consecutive numbers. Correct? Therefore, numbers are x is equal to 15 and x plus 1, that is 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. So this is the final answer, 15 and 16. Okay. Let's solve the next question. It is similar to the previous question. Father is 25 years older than son. Okay. In 9 years from now, father's age will be 6 years greater than twice of his son's age. Find their present age. Okay. Let son's present age be x. Okay. So if son's age is x, father's age would be x plus 25. Correct? If son's age is x, father's age would be x plus 25. This should be the current age. After 9 years, son's age will become x plus 9. This is after 9 years, okay? And father's age will become x plus 25 plus 9. Correct? Which is x plus 34. Right? Okay. Now, what they have said, after 9 years, this is father's age, no, this is son's age and this is father's age. So after 9 years, son's age will become x plus 9 and father's age will become x plus 34. Okay. Now what they have said, in 9 years from now, father's age, I'm so sorry. In 9 years from now, father's age will become 6 years greater. Father's age is 6 years more than twice of his son's age. Okay, that means x plus 34, this is father's age, will be more. How much more? 6 years. 6 years greater than twice of his son's age. That means father's age minus 2 times son's age, that is x plus 9, will be equal to 6. Are you understanding? This is father's age. Father's age after 9 years. This is son's age after 9 years. So, father's age is greater than son's age, twice of his son's age by 6. So, that means x plus 34 minus twice of son's age should be equal to 6. So, this is my equation. Got it? I hope everybody is able to understand. Okay. Now I'll write the solution. Okay. The solution is, I have enough space. Okay. Let the son's age son's present age, I'll write present age. So, let's son's present age be x. So, father's present age will be x plus 25 because father is 25 years elder to son. Okay. 9 years after. So, I'll write 9 years hence. That is after 9 years. Okay. Father's age will be, son's age will be x plus 9. Father's age will be x plus 25 plus 9. That is x plus 34. Okay. So that means, and what is the sentence? In 9 years from now, father's age will be 6 years greater. Father's age is greater. So father's age is greater. So you will write father's age first. So father's age is x plus 34 minus twice the son's age, which is x plus 9, will be equal to 6. Okay, this is given, and from the sentence which is given we have made the equation. So let's calculate. X plus 34, we'll open this bracket, minus 2x minus 18 is equal to 6. So I will keep the numbers on one side and x terms on other side. Okay, so that will make 34 minus 18 minus 6 is equal to 2x minus x. So 34 minus 18 minus 6, how much it comes to? 34 minus 18 minus 6, it comes to 10. That means x is equal to 10. Okay, that means x is equal to 10. So son's present age is 10. Father's present age is x plus 25, which is 10 plus 25, which is 35. Okay, so the question was to find their present age, and present age you have found. 10 is son's present age and 35 is father's present age. Okay, let's solve the next question. Sum of three consecutive numbers. Wait. I'll just make one correction here. Sum of three even consecutive. Okay, I'll change the question here. Sum of three even consecutive numbers is 58. Find the numbers. Fine. So that means they are even consecutive number. If first number is x, second number would be x plus 2 and third number would be x plus 4, because they are even consecutive numbers. Right? Like 2, 4, 6, 8. These are even numbers. Right? So let the three consecutive numbers be x, x plus 2, x plus 4. Correct? So sum of the, and it is given that sum of three consecutive number is 258. That means x plus 2 plus x plus 4 is 258. It is given. Correct? That means 3x plus 6 is equal to 258. 3x is equal to 258 minus 6. 3x is equal to 258 minus 6 is 252. So x is equal to 252 upon 3. 252 upon 3 is 84, right? 84. So x is equal to 84. That means the other numbers would be 86 and 88. Right? So write down. Therefore, three numbers are x is equal to 84, x plus 2 which is 86, and x plus 4 which is 88. So these are the three numbers. Okay. Let's solve the last question of the day. A sum of three odd numbers is 135. Okay. So odd numbers are like even numbers. They are alternate numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7 are the odd numbers. So three consecutive odd number means the first number is x, second number would be x plus 2, third number would be x plus 4. Okay. So again, the sum of three consecutive odd number is 135. So let the three numbers be x, x plus 2, x plus 4. Okay. So it is given that x plus 2 plus x plus 4 is equal to 135. So 3x plus 6 is equal to 135. 3x is equal to 135 minus 6. 135 minus 6 is 129. So x is equal to 129 divided by 3. So x is equal to 43. If x is equal to 43, that means next number would be 45 and 47. Correct? So therefore, three numbers are x is equal to 43, x is equal to, x plus 2 is equal to 45 and x plus 4 is equal to 47. That's it for the day. Thank you very much, students.